Hello my dears, this is Sarah from SheHoldsDearly.com, and today I'm going to answer some of your decorating questions. So I lead a design group called Behind the Scenes, and every month we focus heavily on one design topic. A couple months ago we talked about window treatments. One of the questions I got was about Ikea curtains. Now Ikea is probably my #1 place that I will go check for curtains when I'm needing some curtains. So first place I check is Ikea. And I love the prices, and I love the lengths. So it's hard to find ones a lot of times that will go, you know, all the way from the ceiling to the floor. Or like, I like to hang my curtains like 4 inches below the ceiling. But Ikea has really long panels, and just right off the bat, I know I can find the correct length. So, but sometimes people say that they find the Ikea curtains look a little bit too thin on their window. And so for that, I suggest buying double panels. So if you think you need to get 4, I know it's more money, but you want that nice thick look on either side of your windows, and that's how you get it, is you just put those curtains together. And then if you really want it to look more tailored, IKEA curtains come with pinch pleat tape that's built in on the back of their panels. So you have to buy the hooks, which they also sell at Ikea, and you slide these prongs into the little loops on the back of the curtain, and you get the pinch pleat look, which is very tailored, very beautiful, and will also help with that fullness. So that's my solution for the Ikea curtains looking a little too skimpy on your windows. Another question I get often is about sliding glass doors. So depending on your budget and just what you have available to you with construction help, my favorite is to replace sliding glass doors with French doors. Even if it's like 2 doors and then just 2 big windows next to the French doors, that is so beautiful. But I know that's not a good solution for everyone, especially if you're renting. My second option would be, not for renters, but for the homeowner, would be to put transoms above your sliders. I feel like it just makes them so much more beautiful, and it takes away from these are sliding glass doors look, even if they are cheap. I love the transom idea. And then my last option would just be to put panels up. I don't care for the blinds. I feel like they are really blah. They don't bring enough style. So I would always say panels, especially with pinch pleats. If you've got like a really long wall of glass doors, I would just do 2 different types of curtains. So really full, and then hang them like even from the ceiling all the way to the floor, or you could do like 4 inches from the ceiling and then down to the floor. Another question, how old are you? I'm 40. Can I pair tall white curtain panels with horizontal blinds? Yes, you can. And my favorite look is to get really contrasty with this. So if you're gonna do white panels, no-brainer, like go-to solution for me is to do cheap bamboo blinds. And you can get blinds for like 40 bucks. Or, I mean, I've even seen them at Big Lots for 20 bucks. So they don't have to be bamboo, but you know what I mean, like the natural texture. That is so perfect in my mind for getting like a little bit of a feminine look with the soft white sheers, and then bringing in a little bit of a masculine look. So I love it in master bedrooms. The only thing I would say about using natural blinds is beware. At night you can see straight through them. So you do want to line them if they're gonna be in a bedroom or bathroom or something. But for a living room or a dining room, I probably wouldn't worry about it. So yes, if you need to do shades with panels, it can totally be done. Okay, and last question for today is, and I get this question a lot, I've been meaning to answer it for you guys, where did my name come from? Where did She Holds Dearly come from? So it started all back, I guess it's been 5.5 years now, and the name came from our house, our 1906 farmhouse that we have been renovating for 11 years now. And the concept in the beginning was that I wanted to speak to groups of people, to DIYers who had an eye for old houses, who had an eye for things at garage sales, old things that had been forgotten that just needed to be revamped and given some honor, brought back to life. And so it was really about like holding dearly to something that could be overlooked or devalued by someone else. And so it was the house. And it was hard for me actually to go public, to be on social media, would not want to be on a video. And so having that kind of an icebreaker was a good start for me to be able to reach the masses. And now, of course, years later, I'm completely comfortable in front of the world. And so I feel like God starts us a lot of times with the little step, and then like it unfolds and you find out that there's a lot more there. So now I would say that the name She Holds Dearly actually goes more beyond like the material things, and I have fallen in love with supporting women who are trying to grow their creative businesses, who are trying to do their own spaces and really love design. It's something that just makes them come alive. And I believe they're gifted, it's a gift from God to be able to be creative. It's the image of God in us. And so I love coming alongside them and teaching them what I have learned in interior design school and over the last 20 years. There are true formulas on how to get these things done, and how to look at Pinterest and then translate that into your own space. And oftentimes you can do it much less expensively than what it has been done online or what, you know, high-end designers are doing. And so I'm trying to pass that on to you guys. And I do that through social media, through YouTube, through the She Holds Dearly website. And then I also, this is my very favorite part, I have a private group that it's a subscription group, and we meet every week, and we also talk daily oftentimes, and I get to teach you interior design. So that is more of me holding dearly. So hope that makes sense. We have a wait list for behind the scenes. I'm gonna give you a link below if you'd like to get on that wait list and learn more about it. And I hope to see you in class. It's where we really get to build community, and I get to see you guys change your homes and your businesses too. All right, so if you're new here, please consider hitting that subscribe button so that I can send you more videos on how to make interior design easy. All right, take care. I'll see you next week.